Hello, welcome to Xiaochuan English Live. In this video, I'm going to show you the City Town Hall of Mijas. Now we arrived a small town in Mijas, right?
Yes.
It's a nice horse. People can ride a horse here. Mijas is very well known of donkeys all around the world. There is a very small, nice church behind me. It's really nice, especially at night. Another church.
Yeah.
There is another church in the top. So now it's nearly 9 o'clock at night. So the street is nearly empty and very quiet at the moment. It looks like a very small garden behind me and very quiet. People can sit in this garden, have some drinks. Yeah, it's very nice at night.
Going up to the end. And then focus down.
Really?
Do that, please.
Yeah.
Do that.
Oh, quiet and very nice. I would say that here is the best view of this town. People can eat dinner in this area. There are lots of different arts in this area, and some lights is pretty nice. So the church behind me is the biggest church in Mijas, and there is a fountain here. Normally they have a very nice show at night, but unfortunately it was is closed at night. So that's all the video of today, and I really enjoyed the night view in here. Thanks for watching my video. See you next time. Bye bye.